Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Happy Vlogmas, whatever day it is. I think that this is Vlogmas day 13 or something. And hey, I never ever thought that I would get this far. I can't believe that I'm still doing this Vlogmas thing. How crazy is that? And I actually feel like that I can keep it going. I just never ever thought that I would be able to do that. So today, I hate to say this, but I started my vlog, or it's like 6:30. So today has been one of those very uninspiring days. The weather was bad. I didn't want to leave the house. I hate driving in the rain. And now it started off at like 70 degrees and now it's like 30 something degrees outside. So I really haven't done anything. I went to work, I came home and I fell asleep, and then I forced myself to get up and do a workout. Because yesterday was a rest day. I'm a firm believer that you shouldn't take like 2 rest days in a row. I mean, you shouldn't take more than 2 rest days in a row. And yes, I know that I only took 1 rest day, but it's already pretty hard to go ahead and get back into that routine anyway. So I really did force myself to get up to do that Peloton workout, and I'm glad that I did. I feel so much better, and I already know that I'm going to be up so much later because I took that nap and then I worked out. So look, I got that accomplished. I don't really know what this video is going to be. I got some stuff that I haven't used yet, so maybe we can go through that. But it's going to be a short video because, you know, I just want to keep the Vlogmas going. And I wanted to record some other videos, but I fell asleep, and so I couldn't do that today. So this is what we're going to get. So today we are going to unbox something. I'll get back to you in just a few minutes. Okay, my friends, I am currently living in the Hot Mess Express. Like you see, my bed isn't made. I have no intentions of making it. I don't really want to clean my room, but it's a mess, and you know, that's just not the life that I'm living right now. So this is me being real, and let's see what we can go through. Okay, we are going to talk about this. I've been wanting these for such a long time, and somebody bought this for me for Christmas. If you can't see it, it is a Canon Ivy little mini printer. Like, I know it's all the rage for the little teenagers and stuff to have like those Polaroid cameras that we had when we were little, and now those, you know, they went away and now they're coming back, and they're really effing expensive, man, but people are paying for them. But for me, I don't want the Polaroid camera. I just want to be able to print out some of the photos from my phone, and then have those, and then you can also pass them along to other people. So I'm very, very excited that I got my little printer here. I'm gonna read the instructions and I'm gonna hook it up, and then we're gonna print out a picture, okay? And of course, I'll link it down below. So it comes with a printer. It comes with a, I don't know if this is a USB or a micro SD, USB or a USB-C cord. You know, I can never tell anymore. So I'm hoping that it's USB-C because all of my cords seem to have disappeared. So there's this. It comes with a 10-pack of paper. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, I'm going to set this thing up. Oh, I also got extra 50 sheets of paper. So let's set this up and see how well the pictures turn out. Set it up. I put the app, and it says that you're supposed to wait till it charges to use it, or it just said, I plugged it in and it said something about charging it. I put the paper in there. They're sticky back so that you can like stick them with things, you know, kind of, you know, put them up on the wall or whatever. So I think I'm gonna try and print something, and let's see how it comes out. And that is that. I printed out a photo it turned out pretty good. And like I said, it's sticky back on the back. So these are so cute. I like to put new pictures up in Tiny Tot's room all the time, and I like to change them out, you know, in my, just, you know, so that we can have different pictures. And this is super, super cute. And this was, I think it retails for like $99 or something like that. I know that it was on sale during Black Friday. So, yeah, I'm very excited about this. The paper pack is like $14.99. I'll link everything down below. And if you're interested in buying it for someone, then you can do that. What I did, I've only played around in the app for a few minutes, but I did like how you can go in and add text and like add extra things to your photo before printing it out. I thought that was really cute. So like you can have like a whole like scrapbook vibe on top of your photo, and that's just, I just think that that's really cool. Okay, sorry, I got distracted because, you know, I thought that I was gonna print out some more photos, but I only wanted to print out one photo right now. I'm gonna let this thing charge and go on about my business. So I hope that you weren't too disappointed in the video today, but this is what I got for you. So thank you for watching. Like this video, comment down below if you would have a use for a photo printer, because, you know, I just want to know if I'm just being extra because I wanted this, but I don't know why I've wanted one for so long. I love photos. But comment down below if you think that you would use it, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video. Happy Vlogmas, and thanks for watching. Bye.